Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can align objects and elements in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. So let me navigate to that slide here and use these two objects. So what you will need to do, guys, you can start with one or select multiple of them by pressing and holding left shift and click into the second one so that both are now selected. And apply the alignment by navigating to the Align menu here at the top, Align Objects. Click into that small arrow down icon next to it and choose your alignment to the left, center, to the right, bottom, top, and so on and so forth. I would like to place them in the centered alignment. That would make them look like this, or to the top. And now they're basically on top of each other. So yeah, that's how it works. Let me just undo this. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.